I'm literally panting. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to a place near Bangalore called Siddarabetta. It's 135 kilometers from 3 hours. Really? Wow. Okay, it's going to take 3 hours from here. 9:23 by my watch. So let's get started. Hey! No, let's begin the journey. This is how nice road looks. It's very well maintained. Toll fees is also very high. 190 rupees is the cost from Electronic City to Nelmangla. So we have stopped at a place in Tumkur and we are trying to find a restaurant to eat something. We could not find anything here, so if you're coming this way, if you find a good restaurant on the way, please eat and come. We could not find it here, so yeah, I'm not sure if we are missing something.
1 hour later.
So guys, we had our lunch just now from a hotel inside Tumkur city called New Ashoka Hotel. We searched a lot for hotels around. We spent around 20 minutes searching. It was really good food. Now we are going to go for the trek. It's 1 o'clock already. It's extremely sunny here. Okay, it's 1 hour from here, so we'll be reaching there at 2. So there's an entrance here. We have reached Siddhabetta. So this says Siddhabetta Kedari. That is way to Siddhabetta. Ishwar temple, Shiv temple here. So this is the entrance. This is the starting point of Siddharabetta. We have to climb this barefoot. It's 2:30 in the afternoon now. We are starting the trek and it's going to be very challenging. The weather is hot and the stones have also gotten hot. Guruji has a water bottle and he has a stick as well because monkey problem. These are not straight stones, they are slanted and the stones are hot. So I'm already panting. It's a long way to go. I'm literally panting. So maybe lack of exercise. So one pro tip would be start early in the morning. Start around 5:36 so that you reach here by 8 or 9 o'clock. It's extremely steep. They told us to go barefoot, but we saw some people wearing shoes and sandals and trekking, and I thought it's done, but there is much more to go. It looks like it's a steep hill, extremely steep. Steps are carved out of the stone. Okay, this is behind me. This was what behind me. So it's only till here. It's a very short, steep trek with steps made out of the rock, carved within the rock. After this point, you have normal steps. So beautiful. Into the nature. There is no path here, guys. You have to just walk on stones. As you can see, Guruji has reached there. And now I have to walk on these stones and reach there. So that stone thing that we had to climb the rocks was only for a very short distance. So yeah, I think that guy just told us simply to motivate that there's only very little left when we were sitting down there. See, there's a stone and beautiful steps and a lot of monkeys. Again, these kind of steps carved out of the stone. So here again we have some stones, not proper steps. I think it's done. I think we're almost there. Finally reached. So, huh? We have finally reached. It's very cool here. Very cool. Water flowing. You have to bend your head down and walk from here. Be very careful. It's extremely cold and cool. Oh, we have temple.
ತುಂಬ ಮೈ ತುಂಬ ಹಾಕೋಬೋದು. ಇದು ದೇವರು ಪಾದದಿಂದಲೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನೀರಿದು. ಹಾಕಿ ತಲೆ ತೊಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಲೆಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಲು ತೊಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗಳಾರತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಣೆಯಿಂದ ನೀರಿರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವ್ರ ಪಾದದಿಂದಲೇ ಬರೋ ನೀರಿದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಣೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಪಾದದಿಂದ ಬರೋ ನೀರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೈ ಕಾಲು ತೊಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ.
We reached at 4. We went inside the temple. You can trek beyond the temple as well. So if you have to trek for that, you have to come at around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the morning, it seems. That's what the priest told us. And you have to come back by 2 o'clock from that. Because after 3 o'clock, they do not allow, and everybody should come this side and start trekking down, because there will be wild animals there, that is leopards and bears. At one point, getting down is becoming very difficult here. There is no support, so I have sat down. I mean, I cannot step down from here, so I'm sitting and coming down because whatever gives you grip. We have started trek downwards. The Pandit ji inside told us that it was Udbhav Murti. It's formed from the ground. That's what is called Udbhav Murti. So below the Murti, they found water. So there is a spring that originated from below, and they have collected water from that, and they offer it to devotees. They showered it on our head, and then they did Aarti, puja, and yeah, then we started off from there. So we are sitting on the way. We just started to climb down. There's a long way to go. So Guruji carried this water bottle. It was very very handy. So please carry a water bottle and that stick, because monkey trouble, dude. And this guy is not even using stairs. Him be like, मैं तो adventure वाला बंदा हूँ. Goat, shepherd and goat behind Guruji. They are also trekking along with us. Guys, we reached down. It took only 1 hour to come down. So we reached at 5 now. We're down. So yeah, it was a good trek. We hope to come back here soon, trek it again. We want to go behind the temple as well. There is a trek behind the temple which we could not go today because of time constraint. Till then, take care. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Take care, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and leave your thoughts, leave your feedback in the comment section. Like the video. Bye.